Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the historic Crag's Lodge. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, restaurant and a non-smoking rooms. The historic Crag's Lodge each villa-style room offers a seating area, a flat-screen cable TV and a kitchenette with a microwave, refrigerator and a dining area. A private bathroom is also included. Guests can play a game of billiards, as well as enjoy free coffee, hot tea and hot chocolate. Use of on-site laundry facilities is provided. Lake Estes is 2.5 miles from historic Crag's Lodge and shopping on Elkhorn Avenue is a 5-minute drive away. Denver International Airport is 1 hour 40 minutes drive from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.